I'm stuck in traffic. So like, I haven't touched the gas or brakes in forever. Just driving. It steers itself too. Like every so often the steering wheel will move itself over a little. Here, we'll. All right. I just zipper merged to get past a bunch of people. It's so weird to me. All right, we're gonna ping pong off of this lane. Here it steers us. At some point it's gonna tell me to grab the wheel. Last weekend, Kater and I went to a car show and it was 31 degrees or something like that, and there was snow on the ground.
Red like fire.
Today, we're going to a car show 1 week later. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and 62 degrees. I put these old Raleigh Chopper bikes on the roof just to make it, I don't know, just to have something different up there. So we're gonna go check out Cars and Coffee in Traverse City, see if there's anything cool. Yeah. Right now we're looking at the stream instead of looking at cars because Barbies wanted to look at the streams.
Now they want to go clean up boats.
I put a ticket on Todd's car. He's gonna lose his mind, I'm sure.